Okay, here we have the same vehicle with the vacuum leak. The vacuum leak's coming out from the driver's side, just above the transmission, up underneath right here. When we smoked it, there's a bunch of smoke that came out from under where the oil filter filler tube is, and a major leak, as if you can hear right now. We'll go ahead and put the O-rings on there and put it back together and see what it sounds like then.
Okay, here we have a 2004 Chrysler Pacifica with a 3.5 that has a Misfire, a number 6 cylinder. When we got this thing apart, we found out that the intake manifold runner shaft becomes loose and starts to suck air in through here, which is number 6 cylinders right here. So we're going to try a fix on this, because this whole intake assembly from Chrysler is about $1,800. You can pick up a used one probably for around $600. I think is the price that I got from them. What we're going to do is try using an O-ring, actually an injector O-ring. I'm not too sure what it's off of. We just had some lying around, and we're going to put a couple O-rings in here and tighten this up and see if it works. Alright, so we're going to try putting this this O-ring here. We've already got one in here, and it's kind of taken up some of the play, but what I want to do is put a couple more in here to push against it to seal that that hole up. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of lubie here on here and make it easier to go on. Oil or some engine assembly lube. And let's see if we get this. This goes on pretty tight. We'll use our screwdriver to kind of push it up in there. And we might need probably several of these, just because I want to get them pushed against each other so that they're tight up against the body. Yeah, probably one more will work to get it pushed up in there.
Okay, we got the intake manifold with the those injector O-rings on there, and as you can hear, it's not making any noise. And we just got through looking at the fuel trims on the vehicle, and our fuel trims are right around negative 2.5 long-term fuel trim, and positive 2.5 on short-term fuel trim, and they're just kind of bouncing back and forth. So I'm going to call this a fix, and probably something that you can save your customer or yourself on, to go ahead and without replacing the intake manifold.